This section of the DevTrack product expert training will cover getting started with DevTrack. Topics covered under this section are setting up a DevTrack project and creating project structure to implement agile and traditional development methodologies. The very first step in using the DevTrack system is to set up your project, followed by creating the project structure. DevTrack projects can be either linked to the requirements management module called the DevSpec or can be created as a standalone project. It is recommended to have a DevSpec parent project for your DevTrack project because you can then easily link your development and QA work items to your requirements and hence ensuring validation and verification for your product. Once a DevTrack project is created, user has the flexibility to add as many development spaces as needed by the product or project. A product backlog folder is also created by default with every DevTrack project. User can later hide or disable the product backlog if not required by the product. To create a development space, right-click on the root folder and select the new dev space option. From the pop-up dialog box, enter the dev space title and select the type of methodology to implement. In a single DevTrack project, you can create multiple dev spaces, all following a different or same methodology. Next, for a project structure, select the options to enable sub-releases and multiple team folders. Since this project is linked to the dev space project, you can choose to link the requirement spaces from DevSpec. Finally, you also have the option to enable the release backlog folder. From the next pop-up window, user can then fill in general details and can also apply access control to the dev space. Note that all these settings can be changed even after the dev space is created by using the edit functionality. From the dialog box, select the edit button to modify the project structure. Once the dev space is created, based on the project structure selected, you can either add a sub-release, a team folder, a sprint, or a milestone. In this case, let's go ahead and add sub-releases and sprints. The procedure to add both sub-releases and sprints remain the same, that is through the right mouse menu. The DevTrack project would then look something like this tree structure, and user is then free to add user stories and tasks. For more details on how to create stories and tasks, refer to video Agile Planning with DevTrack. Note that a single DevTrack project accommodates different implementation methodologies. Refer to other training videos for demo on storyboards, sub-project structures, workflows, and other advanced controls. This concludes the quick demonstration on how to get started with the DevTrack system. For more information, contact info@techexcel.com or call us at 800-439-7782. Thank you.